Meaning of illicit.
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 Illicit. Illicit refers to something that is not permitted by law, custom, or societal norms. It can describe actions, substances, or even relationships that are considered taboo or forbidden in a particular context. Engaging in illicit activities can result in legal consequences, social ostracization, and personal guilt or shame. The allure of illicit behavior can be tempting to some, but it often comes with significant risks and negative outcomes. Overall, the term illicit is associated with undertones of secrecy, danger, and taboo, and its use should be taken seriously.